Hold on there. So when you're a soldier, then we're supposed to there watch the watchman.
Right now, I can't find webman and pull over. I link them, but I not get them. So I wonder why I pray.
Pull over, you're a soldier. Right?
Yes, sir.
So, you can vouch for him. You can tell me say him not nothing to do with this.
Boy, I don't know enough, father. Can't vouch for no man right now. I have to know what I'm going to see him with your sight.
Same thing for you, Stone. What is about Webman? You feel like this is something where you might involved in?
What's your response to that soldier then? So you know how them slip up? Him know.
So Mr. Butcher, talk to me.
Honestly, Webman. Always the work good enough, but I don't know what I'm going right now.
So, let me understand this. What are you supposed to do? Or when I put people in place to oversee the site and make sure say them things don't happen. None of my material not missing. But now my material missing and only can't give me no account fee. Only can't tell me about the soldier them we're supposed to there. You a call and not get him. So I don't understand. When I hire you for them?
Well, bossy, we'll give you a 2 days still, you know. Because I can see the material them alone missing, you see me? So we have to go know what I'm going for the soldier them said we down.
2 days. 2 days. You know how much money me I lose in a 2 days? On a construction site like this, when I miss 2 days of work, and millions me I lose. Now me I lose all material. And you can't tell me nothing about what going on. This not make no sense.
Boss, you messing up. Realize you not look good. But may I tell you this? You see, everything we're missing off our site are going to be replaced. And nobody worry about Webman. I'm probably there on a girl in. See him, Butcher? But yeah, may I tell you still, as me they tell you, the thing need to muscle up certain level. So you see why man always have to dip on the ground.
Right now, Stone, will you tell me just I go through 1 year and come to this one? As you can't guarantee me that. You're going to guarantee me I get back my material. But, hold on. Yeah, you get back the material. But can't get back 2 days.
That will always be the master. I go there and look about over 14. Try. Pull off a stone. But I tell you, you deal with it, man, you see me? I go deal with it. It, man. You link up all that soldiers. Because we have some program for it. Butcher, do the same. And I have to give King a proper show. I think I fall out of that. Out of line, if you understand what I did. But bossy, as you say, nothing not look good. Fix it. What you think?
Bossy, you know what I'm there and meds do? You're sure you not have no enemy in a higher places, my general. Because normally our ground not get violate certain ways still, you know. You see me? I must big food a jog in that one, your brother. You see me? A man must get a nice piece of food to come brave, so. You see? Pull over.
Ready for that?
How go on, T-Bird?
Yeah, no, sir. I look thing go on my baby girl last night. I have to stay and reach hospital about that. You see me?
Brother, I'm not stop call your phone, you know. Be the phone, but double go on right, that's right now.
Yeah, how I go?
Get to me, I say.